Welcome back to round 2. Those of you here know that you survived the first elimination round, and your dishes were okay with me. Now we are on the next round. This round's gonna be a little different. This time, 2 people will be out, other than 1. Okay. So, the dish will be a cheeseburger.
Okay.
So good at making
really
those.
good. Yeah, I'm really good at making those.
Again, I think of this inconvenience that we had last round. If you are out, you may be on the sidelines watching the next contestants go out. You do not have to leave the game. Okay? Okay? Contestants, go make your cheeseburgers.
Okay.
I'm going in my secret.
I'm gonna wanna add
Cheese.
Okay, let me get the buns.
I will now operate big machine.
Put some ham. Cheese.
How is your cheeseburger going on so far?
Buns.
How's your cheeseburger going
That's
on
good.
so far?
Meat. Good. How about
Bon appétit.
beans? Or
Ben!
how
Oh,
about
Ben, we haven't seen you in the worst. How is it going for you? Say yes, it's
Ketchup.
going well, no, it's oh.
and
Yeah.
Say, can we not, it's
barbecue.
Ooh, I hear
done.
barbecue. I hear barbecue. All right,
It's
guys,
right here.
5
It's
more
me.
seconds. 5, 4, 3,
I'm gonna add
2,
some barbecue.
1. Everyone get back in their spots. Spots. Hurry up. We don't have all day here.
Alright, cooking Ramsay.
All right. Exarch. May I taste your cheeseburger?
Here,
Did you
it's
put in the...
I put the cheese, put the beans, I put
Beans?
the meat, and I put it.
Okay.
Finished.
I don't know, but I really don't see till the end. But
I put meat, cheese, more
hurry
meat,
up, man. We don't have all day.
and
Hurry up.
ketchup and barbecue. Here you go.
Barbecue. See, I love barbecue, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You might qualify for the next round.
Okay, here. I put barbecue. I put
Splendid.
extra burger. What, bro? I didn't even finish.
Ben.
I put crystals in there too.
I put a little bit of beer.
Oh, sheesh! I probably put.
Hi. Hey.
Hi.
Ready? Fight.
Hey, what's in this burger?
No.
Chicken nuggets in the burger.
That was
There are chicken nuggets
disgusting.
in
That was disgusting.
nuggets.
That was disgusting.
Is he eating a
That
sandwich?
was disgusting.
I put chicken nuggets in the burger.
Disgusting.
Okay.
My God.
All right.
Can
so
I?
the people. Shut up. The people who will be out for the next round is Egg. That burger was disgusting. Exarch 13. I'm sorry. Hope to see you next round. And the last three people follow me to the treehouse where we'll be doing our next round.